Today I wanted to share with you one of the greatest teas that you can use if you are type 2 diabetic. Cerasee, or aka bitter melon. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. I know bitter melon has a gazillion names that it goes by, bitter gourd, and some others that I will most likely mispronounce. My husband is type 2 diabetic and I've been pre-diabetic twice. Bitter melon, just as the name states, is very bitter. Before you try anything, please consult with your doctor. Bitter melon improves how the body uses sugar, while also protecting the cells from damage. I'm a regular reader of the NIH website as it relates to herbs, and bitter melon has a lot of nutrients. It has a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and some of the B vitamins as well. But here's another thing. According to the NIH website, there is a protein that is shown to lower blood glucose. Also, bitter melon is anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, of course, antiviral, and it also lowers cholesterol level. There are many methods in helping to reverse or put type 2 diabetes in remission, but bitter melon is just one of those that really shine. So when I say that bitter melon is rich in nutrients, it truly is. You'll see the vines, and there's some leaves in here too. I'm gonna pour some this hot. Now, I don't mind bitter teas at all. I mean, this is hot, or else I would have took a bigger sip. Bitter teas help stimulate digestion. This one is one that I will drink slower. Drink this, like I'll drink dandelion faster than I would this. And honestly, I don't think that any amount of honey is probably going to make it that much better. My husband, who is not a person that just loves herbs by any means, he drinks it pretty readily. It probably looks like there's a lot in here, but it's about 3/4 cup to 1 cup of compacted leaves and vines and stems. So I think like 1 cup of herb is about 16 tablespoons. So in that case, do a medicinal blend. I will try to do like 8 to 10 cups of water. And again, I'm not saying that you should try that. Start low. For me, the reason why I felt so confident in making that kind of ratio is because first, of my husband's constitution, because we want to look at people's constitution and their condition, and also he's not on any medication as well, so it was just very easy to kind of just give him this type of dosage. If you've tried bitter melon in your journey, let us know in the comments what your experience was with it. And if you're type 2 diabetic, please put in the comments what issues you are experiencing the most, and I would love to make a video on it to help you out in your journey. Thank you for watching, and take care.